Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. My name is Noor Fatihah and today I will be presenting a case study on Interheritage Sdn Bhd versus Kesatuan Kebangsaan Pekerja-Pekerja Hotel, Bar and Restoran Semenanjung, Malaysia. This case revolved around a legal dispute regarding the implementation of the Minimum Wages Order 2012 and the hotel industry approach to wage restructuring. We will analyze the facts of the case, explore key issues related to industrial relations, and review the judgment made by the industrial court. Facts of the case. Let's start with the facts of the case. The dispute began when Interheritage Sdn Bhd, the operator of Sheraton Imperial Kuala Lumpur Hotel, proposed to restructure wages in compliance with the Minimum Wages Order 2012. The hotel suggested converting a portion of the service charge into basic wages to meet the 900 ringgit minimum wage requirement. However, the National Union of Hotel, Bar and Restaurant Workers opposed this, arguing that the service charge should not be counted as part of the basic wage. The case was referred to the Industrial Court in May 2014 after the dispute was not resolved. Now let's look at the key issue raised in the case. Legality of wage restructuring. Can the hotel legally restructure wages by converting part of the service charge into basic wages to meet the minimum wage requirement? Employee rights and wage protection. Should the service charge be treated as part of basic wages or should it remain a supplementary income? And three, industrial harmony and collective agreement integrity. Does this unilateral restructuring violate the terms of the existing collective agreement between the hotel and the union? So the industrial court ruled in favor of the hotel, allowing the restructuring of wages. The key point from the court judgment were the court ruled that service charge could be included as part of the basic wages to meet the 900 ringgit minimum wage based on industry practice and previous legal precedents. The court also acknowledged the hotel's right to comply with statutory wage laws while managing its operational costs. This decision was viewed as balancing business flexibility with legal obligation. Let's now we analyze and critique the judgment. Legal interpretation. The court ruling aligned with previous cases such as Hotel Equatorial versus Thomas George, where service charge were treated as part of wages. This interpretation allows businesses to remain flexible but may affect the stability of employee earnings, especially in industries like hotels where service charge fluctuate. And two, precedence and legal consistency. The judgment relies on earlier cases but may create inconsistency as the treatment of service charge may vary across industries. So the impact on industrial harmony and employee rights. This case highlight the impact on industrial harmony and employee rights. By treating service charge as part of wages, it may cause lower income employees who rely on predictable earnings to see fluctuating pay. And then this case also setting a precedent. The ruling could lead to other sectors adopting similar wage restructuring practices, but this may not always be in the best interest of employee if it leads to reduced take-home pay. So the conclusion in this case, in conclusion, the court decision in this case highlight the balance between statutory compliance and industry practices. While the ruling support the flexibility of businesses, it raises important question about employee welfare and the long-term effect of wage restructuring. The case also underscores the need to clearer guidelines on wage component to protect both business interests and employee rights. This decision is likely to influence future cases concerning minimum wage laws and wage restructuring in various sectors. Thank you for your attention. For further reading, please refer to the relevant legal frameworks such as the Industrial Relations Act 1967 and the specific case reference, including Hotel Equatorial versus Thomas George, PA Pereira versus Hotel Jayapuri Berhad, and the case of Interheritage Senayan Berhad versus National Union of Hotel Bar and Restaurant Workers. That's conclude the presentation. If you have any question or need further clarification, feel free to comment. Thank you.